So I think step number one is to make a commitment at the dealer principal level that you want your organization to do the right thing. And oftentimes that means to do it in a compliant way, not just, in a right way morally. And you're right. In order for you to find out where you stand, you need to draw a line in the sand. And the best way to do it is maybe to conduct an audit and to understand if you have effective policies and procedures in place, if you have ongoing training, if you have onboarding when it comes to compliance, and make a decision based on the result of that audit. And then the second step would be to train everybody. Because again, unfortunately, in automotive retail in general, not just when it comes to compliance, right? We don't have an educational barrier, right? You can be a salesperson today, a sales manager tomorrow, a finance manager in 6 months without ever going to school. And you're going to be trained by people on the job that were trained by other people on the job. And that's how, bad habits transcend generations. So we need to conduct some form of training in order to get everybody on the same page. And I think that once that's done, there have to be internal mechanisms to do internal audits, to do ongoing training, and to hold employees accountable.
So I think that, like you asked, if auditing is the first thing that should happen, and definitely think you have to know where you start. But a lot of times what happens is that we audit things and everybody gets punished, and then we go right back to where we were.
Exactly. And I started saying that the very first step is the commitment of the dealer principal to do the right thing. So unless that commitment exists, what Charity is talking about is exactly what's going to happen. We're going to do it once, we're going to make some scenes, do a little yelling, do a little screaming, and then we're going to go back.